Okay, so the problem is if two people share the same umbrella, then all rainy days are bad, right? Excuse the bad handwriting. But anyways, and we're supposed to use the symbols this, this, and then this, right? So this means all, this means exists, and then this is the if-then arrow, right? And then in tutoring, remember I learned that this thing is the hypothesis, and then this thing is the conclusion. So the if-then arrow basically separates those two. So that's gonna go in the middle. And then, oh, the prompt also says that rainy days, small r is an element of oh no, it's the wrong thing, of big R, right? So that's rainy days. So this rainy days, that you can represent through that, right? So let's do the thing. So if two people share the same umbrella, from question 7, it says that f of p is equal to u, means that people P owns umbrella U. So I think the first thing we do is make it so that the people exist. So exists P1, P2 in set P uh just makes it so that they exist. You're not pulling people out of thin air, I guess. And after you have that, you have to have a comma or a period. And then now that they exist, what are you going to do with them? You're going to be like f of p1 is equal to f of p2. So f of p1 is basically u1, f of p2 is u2. So I guess you could also write these two elements, but I just did that because that's what they gave us. I don't think it matters though, but f of p1 is equal to u1, f of p2 is equal to u2. So if both of them are equal, then all rainy days are bad. So that's basically saying that they shared the same umbrella. So let's see this. What's this magic thing? Well, that's cool. So this makes it so that this exists, and then these two people are element of big P. So exist this. F of that is equal to f of this, so f of p1, which is umbrella 1, is equal to f of p2, which is umbrella 2. So that's all of this covered. So now we move past the if-then statement, and now all rainy days are bad, right? So all can be represented by this upside down A. All in the rainy days, we're given that it's R element of big R. And then there's no really nice way to express R bad. So I guess we just write R bad, and then that should be the answer. I'm pretty sure. But just to double check, I remember I got this wrong on Gradescope because like they were being very stingy about the parentheses thingy. But let's see what they did, so I can fix it right now. Okay, did the same thing. They just didn't have brackets here and here. That's the same thing as that. It's the same thing as that. So I guess they didn't have brackets. The only part they had brackets was this big one here and this big one here. So if you're gonna match the answer, it's a horrible square. So I guess if you wanna match the answer that's given on the answer sheet, you should just write this. But I don't know if what I did was wrong either. But you got the gist, right? It's just this thing. But yeah, that's question number 8 from homework 3. Woohoo.